I'm Jamie from Shanti Kai, and just wanted to answer a quick question that I often get from customers. When would you use Clear My Space versus something like removing obstacles or release it? Clear My Space is our most robust energy cleanser, okay? So for all around energy clearing, whereas removing obstacles is more of what I would say to work with if you're encountering feelings of external resistance, okay? So things outside of you just keep hitting challenges, okay? So sometimes when you're trying to realign your energy, you do encounter more friction. So if you feel like the obstacles coming from outside, you might use removing obstacles. And then finally, I would recommend going to the release it if you feel like you're hitting a blockage and it's coming from deep within. Of course, ultimately, outside of you is always a mirror, or it's always a projection of what's going on inside of you. But the way these essences are formulated, release it works more with helping to uproot internal blockages and help transform them or bring them to the surface where they can be transformed. Whereas the removing obstacles is more if you feel like you're largely encountering them as like outside of you. And then the Clear My Space is kind of like a catch-all for that interface, right? Of anything in between, stuff coming up where that's in your field that feels toxic, unwanted, or negative. So, and all of these, of course, be used to help bring greater balance to your energies. Thank you very much.